Good morning, guys. This is Alan here, and today we'll be going over, or I'll be trying to go in a trade right now on ES on my FTMO funded account. So as of right now, that's my draw, and I'm looking for a entry. Let me see. So I could find something to enter. Highs right here. Let's see it. Okay, the next up candle, I'm gonna take a short. You can give me that up candle. So I'm taking it here and I'm also taking on my account. Let's see if we can get up there. Hmm. Okay, volume imbalance. Okay, price is dropping low right now. Okay, I took out this low here. We have a volume imbalance right here and right here. So I'll be looking at those areas for potential entry and get up there. Yeah, okay, I missed it, but it's okay. I'll put my stop loss up 74. Well, 5 handles. And I want to make sure it's above this candle here. This down candle with the gap. Right. So I'll leave that there. And then my TP will be down here. So about 1-to-1 trade. Okay. Looking at this, it's also liquidity also here. So I'll be looking to take partials here. Okay, we're looking to see price come lower. All right, that's what ideally I want to see. Stop loss I know is above these relatively equal highs right here. Uh, but like I said, this is a high of that fair value gap. All right, so we're looking for this area to be respected. All right, we see a lot of bodies of the candles are staying within that fair value gap, which is good. Price running higher, wanting to drop lower, partials out, TP. Right, that's how I wanted to go. Okay, so these highs here, a lot of highs. So when I see this is not something I like, right? I want to see lows be taken out. It's taking out lows, taking out highs, right? This is not ideal for us. And as a first trade of the account, very, very difficult, especially in the time like this, which is okay. Yeah, I'll add another 4. Yeah. I said I don't want to see this taken out. Okay, big drop. Maybe institutional sponsorship is kicking in. All right, we want to see it trade through aggressively down here, and down here. Okay, watching it right now. All right, really want to see price be aggressive. Let's check the 30-second timer. Okay, very, very aggressive. I like it. So if this goes through that, this can be a very nice breaker. Takes out lows, takes out highs, takes this out. This would be a very, very nice breaker. So we're watching price right now. So I don't want price to come anywhere near this high, right? Um, we want to just see kind of price roll over, take this out, and so taking these lows out. After it takes this one out, runs high, takes highs out, big movement lower, right? Like I said, I'm really thinking this wants to go lower. See the five. Yeah, you see how it just comes up here into this order block and just drops below it. I want to see relatively stay underneath this close of this candle. But, you got this here. This area should be respected. A lot of up and down movement, right? So you see highs taken out here, highs taken out here, highs taken out here one last time. Looking forward to drop lower. Let's do 15 seconds. See anything solid in here. So yeah, equal highs, raids it, big movement lower, right? Comes up higher, sell side resting, sell side resting, sell side resting down here. Looking forward to tag sell side. Wow, beautiful move. Beautiful move. Okay. Now looking for to continue being aggressively downside. Like I said, partials out here. Oops. Down here. Yeah. Closing half down there. Very, very nice move. Still waiting for it. So now we have the breaker, right? Breaker right here. Right, so like I mentioned, that's the breaker right there. We want to see price come on trade into it and continue going lower, right? We don't want to see this breaker violated. Okay. That could be your entry right there. This could be your, you know, entry, stop above this, and letting it run. Right? Very simple. Letting a partial close or pairing a partial close up that. So to me, I think price is gonna to build fake sentiment and then run through it, run aggressively through it. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, Okay. Trading back into this volume imbalance right there. Bring your attention to this one right here. Make that like green. Oops, actually not that good. Let's make that like purple. There you go. Volume balance right there. Looking for price to respect this. Go lower. All right, we are in a PM session, so this fair value gap looking for that to hunt for these sell side liquidity. So partials. Okay. Yeah, hovering again. Hopefully this time it really does show us animated through all these lows. So look at that volume imbalance being respected very, very nicely. No, like I said, I want to see it take out these lows here. Very, very animated. Up candle, drop, take out these lows. And we just wait for it. And we just wait for it. Waiting for it. Okay, green candle. Kind of lag there. Didn't move much. Hmm. Go one up right into the breaker again. All right. Tag the breaker. Solid in here. Looking for it to fall off. Okay. That's a good move. That's a good move. Come on. I know you want it. Get down here. Waiting for it. Waiting for it. Building fake sentiment. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I want to see it get through that. Waiting for it. Waiting for it. Waiting for it. No panic. No panic. No panic. Boom. Oh, come on. What is this lag? No, what is this lag? What is going on? Did partial me out or what happened? Still loading? Yeah, you guys are watching this live right now. Oh, okay. Okay, finally. Partialed out there. Right. Partials are out. Okay, partials out. Let's move my stop loss to let's say this high. 4071. So 4071. 45. Okay, 50 is fine. Yeah, so partial out there. And another partial here. Right. Very, very nice, as you guys can see. Very, very nice. Okay, it's getting moving. Let's close. Let's close another 8 there. Let's Let's close. Yeah, let's close. Let's close 8. I think 8 is good. Let's close there. Boom. 8 is closed. Yeah. Close that out. 8 there. Now last one. Put it right there above that bullish candle. Don't want to see price come back up there. Right. And this is my FTMO trade. All right. I'm glad I did it live with you guys. I can show you guys the account on my Instagram if you guys want to see it, that I did take these 2 trades. Right. So we have relatively good lows here. I do want to see a deeper run. So like I said, tagged right there. All right. I'm not sure how it works. So this is like double of what I made. I made basically like half of this because I wasn't sure how to use the lots with the contract. So don't blame me. I just dropped something I thought was similar, but yeah, you'll see my Instagram. So I want to see this next run go deeper. Maybe tag this out. And then yeah, call it a day. Boom. Taking our time. Remember, equal lows are now created here. It could go up here. Right, so partial's already out. Partial down here as well. You guys saw it live. Price maybe come up here. Maybe, but we don't really want to see that. Kind of want to just see continue running lower, be very heavy. But yeah. So I do have one more trade up here still on my live account as well. So we're watching it. Watching it. So remember, my stop loss was above this high. Why? We have a gap here. We have a bullish candle. And if we're bearish, we don't want to see these bullish candles get violated, right? So stop loss was above that, right? Entry above here, right? And entry was when it took out these highs. When it started falling, I took a sell early. As soon as it spiked higher, took another sell. Watch it drop, watch it drop, watch it drop. And now we're just waiting for this area to get tagged, right? As soon as it gets tagged, we are out of the trade, right? We can collapse the trade here or here. On my live, I'm collapsing it here. That's kind of how it is. I'm just waiting for it to see a step below it, and we can collapse the trade below this low. Don't really want to see too much time being spent here. I just want to see it either come up and roll over. There you go. Like I said, I see it come up and just roll over. Come on. So I'm done with this one here. One partially closed. Yep. And that will be the end of this trade. Just collapse the last one too, why not? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Right, like I said, I am making this account kind of representing my FTMO trades, so you guys can see what trades I'm looking for when I'm taking it on my live account. So just want to show you guys, like what I'm looking for, how I trade. Yeah, so on my live account, I made 1948. This one made 38, so about double, right? About double. And I hope you guys can see that, right? Right there. Volume balance. You guys could re-enter there. I chose not to because I sold here already. Remember, don't just because you see a comeback to nice area doesn't mean you have to enter every position, right? We're watching price respect it. And like I said, this is a target down here, but underneath the sell side liquidity, they could reverse up here. So, when we were trading a lot to try to be a lot safer, bang, bang, no trades in the morning whatsoever, right? Obviously. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys have any questions or any questions or concerns, like why I did something, why did I sell here, how did I know to come down here, I hope this video is insightful. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to try to answer all your questions. Okay. Good luck and good trading, you guys.